Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make video collage on Instagram. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we're already inside our Instagram profile. Now to make video collage, first of all we're gonna tap on plus icon. What we will need to do, we need to tap on the camera here. Now to make the video collage, we have to tap on this icon with the rectangle box. And here you can see the option of video layout. So from here I can actually change the layout. So right now we only have the three different layouts for the video layout. So I'm going to go here with the current one that is already selected with the three different sections. All right. So with this layout, we can actually make the video collage on Instagram. So I can record video on it, and also I can get the video from my gallery as well. So I'm going to tap on my gallery. And now what we're going to have here, we're going to go here with this video. You can see here we have also added our second video. Now simply we can add our third video. Alright, so this is how we can make video collage. Now we're gonna tap on check icon and it will be processing our video. And now we're gonna tap on next. Now you can see our video collage here. Now we're gonna tap on next. And here we can simply tap on share and our video collage will be posted on our Instagram profile. So this is how we can make video collage on Instagram. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.